Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? I'm hoping you're doing well. Today is Tuesday, July the 13th. Wow, July the 13th. You know, I started out, and this is more of a remembrance vlog. I started out about 2.5 years ago. I'm thinking it's 2.5 years ago, to seriously start logging all my videos, even though I've had other videos that I've done that date back to maybe 10, 15 years ago. Back when I used to buy aftermarket cameras. I want to, first of all, I want to thank every single subscriber out there. Today, as of this morning, I checked my account and I have gone beyond 500 subscribers already, and it's slowly growing, and that's thanks to you all. Thanks to you all, my supporters, the people that have given the time to look at my videos and like them and spend a few hours in watching, even though they're not as exciting videos as compared to others. But you know, I actually started from the ground up. I had no experience in photography. I had no experience in photo editing or video editing. I went through Windows laptops to Apple MacBooks. I'm still not that great, but I'm getting there, and my videos are coming out better, more clear, more precise, a little bit more in detail. Not too much, because mainly my videos are just out in the farm on a one-on-one basis. Since the fact that we had this coronavirus, this pandemic, this past year, I used to take a lot of video in the Philippines, and we all know that a lot of people in the Philippines don't watch too much television, but they do like watching YouTube. So the majority of my subscribers are from the Philippines and also the United States, and actually all over the world. But today I want to celebrate that I've gone beyond the 500 subscriber level. I think I have 502 now. So my videos are getting better. People like them. They take time to view them. They take time to comment on them. I want to thank those that helped me get up to here. I know 500 subscribers is probably no big deal, but it is for me. I've seen other people that are more in a professional level that have millions of subscribers, but I can't say that I'm a professional, but as I said, I started from the ground up. I started with working with small pebble rock to working with stones now, and hopefully in the future I'd be able to work with cement boulders, be a little bit more professional on it. Again, I just want to say thank you. 500 subscribers, it's a big deal for me, and it's growing, and it's growing. As long as I make some good, clean videos out there for you all to enjoy. And I want to thank, in support of my girlfriend, my future fiance, Edelyn Barrows. She's in the Philippines right now. She's going through some hard times, but we're all going through some hard times. Mainly because the Philippines hasn't opened. Excuse me. A little bit. I work nights. I'm still working nights. The Philippines has not opened yet. Hopefully, I pray that they'll open soon. I haven't seen her for over 2 years already, since the pandemic started. So, anyways, um, I'm gonna do a couple of laps around the swimming pool. I'm gonna adjust this and place it in my shirt, so it'll probably just be a POV video, point of view video mainly. But other than that, I'll be back with you for my ending. And just some underwater videos, mainly POV, since the only thing you can see is just my hands, my arms. But let's go underwater for a little bit here. By the way, it turned out to be a nice day. In comparison to all these days, it had been miserable, raining, the sun hadn't come out. Now the sun's starting to come out. We've got some beautiful clouds and blue sky. It's getting better now. Hopefully it'll stay that way for a while. Our crops were kind of ruined because there was just too much water. We were able to pick up the majority of the watermelons, but a lot of the crops were ruined. But that's Mother Nature. It's, just sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. Oh. I made a couple of videos in the past, and I've compared this. This is the Insta360 Go 2, and I've compared it with the GoPro Hero 9, and I've compared it with the Insta360 One X2. And although the One X2 and the Go 2, I've said it in the past that they look kind of familiarly the same as far as clarity underwater, but other people that have commented on the channel have said that the Go 2 looks a lot more clear than the Insta360 One X2 on blog mode, of course, not on 360. But anyways, I'll be turning it in pretty soon because it's already in less than a minute, because I usually get out at 8, or I start getting out at 8. I start getting ready by 8. It's already 7:59, so the water's very warm right now. But I gotta get out of here. Oh, the water's nice, but I really can't spend too much time in there. Since I work at night, I gotta make sure that I spend more time sleeping, because the last thing I want is to fall asleep at work. So I'm gonna get inside the sauna.